Our next topic is types of matrices. Types of matrices. Basically, matrix a matrix is classified basically in two forms based on order of a matrix. Here, first one rectangular matrix and second one is a square matrix. Rectangular matrix is the matrix of order m by n, but m should not be equal to n. What is m? M is the number of rows and n number of columns. So if in any matrix, if number of rows are not equal to number of columns, then the matrix is said to be a rectangular matrix. Now, square matrix. So in a square matrix, the number of rows must be equal to number of columns. Here in a square matrix, quite obvious. If there is a matrix A, here elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 3 rows and 3 columns, so its order is 3 by 3. A number of rows are equal to number of columns. So it is an example of a square matrix. Now in the rectangular matrix, see here let A be a matrix which have elements 1, 2, 3. Here only one row while 3 columns. So number of row is 1, number of columns are 3. M is not equal to n. Similarly, in next matrix you can see there are 2 rows while 3 columns having order 2 by 3. Therefore, these matrices are an example of rectangular matrix. Now, rectangular matrix is further classified as row matrix and column matrix. A row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. See, for example, if there is a matrix A having only one row, see here 1, 2, 3 are elements written in first row, there is only one row while 3 columns are there having order 1 by 3. So this is an example of a row matrix. Now column matrix, a matrix having only one column is called as column matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, if B is a matrix having elements 1, 2, 3 written in column. So there is only one column while 3 rows having order 3 by 1 is an example of a column matrix. Now come to different part of square matrix. Square matrix can further be classified as on the basis of their values of their elements. See, diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix is also a square matrix, but here except leading diagonal elements, all other elements must be 0. Now I would like to point out what is leading diagonal elements. What are leading diagonal elements and what is leading diagonal? So a line joining left uppermost element to right lowermost element is called as leading diagonal, this one, and these elements in this diagonal are known as leading diagonal elements. A, B, C are here leading diagonal elements. Now come to a scalar matrix. So diagonal matrix is further classified as a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements must be equal or same. For example, see here except leading diagonal elements all other are 0, here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, only leading diagonal elements are non-zero. So it is an example of a diagonal matrix. While here one more property they are having, that is all leading diagonal elements are same or equal, that is let it be k, 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 it may be 2, 2, 2, it may be 3, 3, 3, means whatever the values they are having, all values must be same. Therefore it is an example of a scalar matrix. Now unit matrix. A unit matrix is defined as it is a scalar matrix in which all diagonal elements are same but they all must be equal to 1. See here all leading diagonal elements are same and they are equal to 1. except these all elements, all others should be 0, since we are talking about a scalar matrix. Therefore, this is an example of a unit matrix. Here there are 3 rows and 3 columns, so its order is 3. Order written as 3 by 3, but we read for a square matrix that its order is 3. So it is denoted by a capital letter I, and sometimes we write in suffix as its order also, like I3, I2. It means it is a unit matrix of order 2. Now I will further classify some other